Okay, so we're on problem number 86 now. We're getting close to the end, and certainly the problems are getting a little more complicated. So 86, and mistakes are going to happen, and this is why a key is being provided to you. This is the natural log of y. It's over y, and then I see a dy dx in it, and then I see the natural log of y being squared times 3x squared. Then I see dy dx, and that is equal to 0. And they want me to solve this for this thing again, this thing dy dx. So I notice it's on one side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to like get the other thing on the other side, and then factor. Let's put that down. All right. So I'm gonna say I see 2x cubed natural log of y over y plus 1 dy dx. Let me explain what I did here. Took this term, that term, I combined them, and I mentioned as I combined, put them together and factor out the dy dx. Then when I get on the other side, I'm going to subtract away this thing. So what does that give you? I made a mistake by putting that down. Look, I'm actually thinking forward when I did that. So I'm going to say, 3x squared, and then I'm going to say the natural log of y, that whole thing squared. All right? Now, looking at it, one thing I'd like to do is just get dy dx, but I do know it looks a little strange when I do that. And I'm going to just, maybe skip a step already. I'm dividing by. I'm just going to say I'm going to divide by. It's going to be 3x squared, the natural log of y, quantity squared. What goes on the bottom? It's a complex fraction, so I'm a little upset by seeing that. I multiply top and bottom by y. And let's write down what I get. I get dy dx equals 3x squared y natural log of y squared. On bottom, what do you get? 2x cubed natural log of y plus y. I'm going to commit to this answer. I'm going to get my red pen out, and I'm hoping to see that. And I did make a mistake already. I just noticed it. So how do you notice? I looked at the key, and I did something, I'm not going to say stupid, but I did something that's incorrect. All right, what I do, I forgot to put the minus sign here. All right, so let's just go through that again. I'm going to look at my red answer key, my red pen, look at the answer key, and see if I have it. I see the dy dx. I see the minus. Who knows, it might be more than one error, right? So 3, let me see if I copied this right, by the way. I think my key has a mistake in it. I got to correct that. But anyway, 3x squared y, natural log, I got this over here, 2x cubed ln y plus y. So by the way, I do notice there's an error in my key, and I have to correct that, all right? Now granted, you're not going to see that because I publish the key after I do the videos, all right? So the key will be correct. Thank you.